Top of the morning to you part-timers. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I made my own homemade forge. Now, this was filmed during the summertime, so there are slight inconsistencies with weather and stuff like that. And also, as you can see, my hair is way longer than it was. So, yeah. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention, but I would normally be putting affiliate links in the description. However, Amazon Prime didn't really think I was popular enough. So, be sure to prove them wrong and subscribe. Anyways, with that aside, let's get on to the video. Okay, to start off, I cut some fire bricks to fit inside of a Lowe's bucket. Then I've begun working on the lid by cutting a hole in the top and forming the handles. Alright, so basically, all the metal that I have is galvanized, which is good because it protects it from rust. However, whenever you try to heat things up, it gets into the bad territory. Very bad. Because when zinc's heated up, it emits toxic fumes. So, yeah, yet again, very bad. Now, we can use white vinegar to get rid of that coating. So it has this nice coating. Gets rid of it. However, that does introduce the possibility of it rusting. So with that in mind, I've begun the process of getting rid of the galvanized coating. After washing off all the metal, I cut fire bricks to put in the bucket. Then it was time to put on a coat of refractory cement to fill in the cracks and to give it extra heat support. Then I let it sit for 24 hours, and after that I put some spray paint on it. I just want to say, the hardest part about this was the burner. Like, bro, I had to go to Lowe's twice. I had to waste $9 for fittings that didn't even fit, which later I did use them to make a Duolingo bird, but that's beside the point. That was the hardest thing ever. And I'm gonna have to replace it because the guy on Amazon, he said, yeah, you don't need to adjust the air pressure. Yes, you do. But anyways, that aside, don't want to keep on rambling. I'll see y'all in the next video. Look at that. And to those of you who are still watching, I just wanted to say, make sure that you're subscribed so that you can see more updates like this.